Innovators and You, we are the future. Innovators and You is a trusted educational institute for individuals to learn, discover, and invest. It was initiated from July 2018 and formed in India. And connecting with us is the most appropriate way for people to monetize their knowledge with extra purposes. We believe that by striving for excellence in our character and our code, we can build a deep level of trust with our customers and help them achieve their stock marketing goals. Now look at the courses we offer. Financial market course, complete package of Innovators and You, MS Excel course, and the last one is Fundamentals of Marketing. A financial market is where the trading of shares, debentures, bonds, derivatives, currencies, etc. are traded. And it really plays a crucial role in allocating limited resources to the country's economy. And this course aims to develop students' understanding of the basic principles of financial markets and provides how assets are valued and traded. And the content of the course is share market, mutual fund awareness, derivatives, banking, insurance, LVHFT trading, risk management. And the duration of the course is just 15 days. And the course fee is rupees 3000, but as per the discount offer, we are providing this course in just rupees 1200. Forward to our second course, complete package of Innovators and You. In this course, we provide a deep structure of knowledge of stock market so your clients can easily understand the concept of stock market both internally and externally. And the content of this course is arena of investment, entering market strategies, exit market strategies, start investment, intelligent investment, importance of learning magic formula, fundamental and technical analysis, and much more things will be there in the course. Duration of this course is just 60 days, which means 2 months only. And normally the course fee is rupees 5000, but as per the discount offer, we are providing this course in just rupees 3000. Now let's move to our third course, MS Excel course. Everyone knows that Excel analysis is omnipresent throughout the world and is really helpful for enterprises of all sizes to perform financial analysis. And we are providing this course from basic to advanced about MS Excel, data entry, Excel formulas, layout, adjustment, print function, charts and graphs, workbook management, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, protection in Excel, data management, and much more things will be there. And the duration of this course is just 20 days. And normally the course fee is rupees 2000, but as per the discount offer, we are providing this course in just rupees 1500. I want to add one special thing that all these three courses are live. Last course of our company is Fundamentals of Marketing. This is the recorded course. It is an important to gain all knowledge about marketing before you think of engaging yourself in it, right? And the content of this course is from basic to advanced again, sales management, 7 C's of communication, CRMs, compensation plan, sales management training, market forecast, consumer behavior, relationship marketing, ELM theory, brand equity, and much more things will be there. And this is as this is a recorded course, so we will provide everything in 4 working hours. And course fee is rupees 1000, but for the discount period offer, we are providing this course in just rupees 500. And why us? What is the different feature in us? The first one is live classes. We provide 100% live classes with practical knowledge. No theoretical knowledge, no bookish or no corporate stuff will be there for your clients. Lifetime membership. We at Innovators and You provide lifetime membership support to your clients. If your customers have any query, any doubt in future, they can clear them anytime from anywhere. The third is live trading. We provide live trading to your customers. We provide you training on live trading accounts. While your customers are learning, we will make strategies according to their plans. And the most important and the last one is the discount offers we are providing in every course. And we have some ongoing offers for your clients. The first is, if you are selling one course, financial market course, to your customer, then your customer will get 1 month internship for free. Now thank you. And we believe that if you are in our team, we trust you. We trust you to work hard, do your best, and always be improving. And stay connected with us.